Okay Donna, here's a quick test of your clocks. Now they're complete, powering on. I do the sweep, and as if I run through the gears, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and there is a warning pattern for the run stop switch. That can be changed to different patterns. You select which one you want. I'll leave it on that one. And the brilliance can be changed on the actual gear indication. My phone picks it up a bit bright actually, but just give it some speed and RPM. And that's about it. The trip buttons are all working now. You can see the clock is set, and if I go on to that one, if I press that, it resets, and that resets. Let me just turn the brilliance down on that. That's fine, and that's it. So anyway, I'll pop you an email about them.